Today on Sidemen Reacts, you have two of the most scientifically inclined Sidemen reacting to space theories that terrify scientists.
Actually, you have one of the most spaced out YouTubers on the planet, because I'd be like, to be fair though, what? Exactly. Let's find out.
What if the universe is already dead, and we just don't know it yet? Scientists have spent decades studying space, but the deeper we look, the more terrifying the answers become.
Oh, no.
From invisible monsters.
That's a confusing question. What if the universe is already dead? Because we exist as part of the universe and we're alive, so the universe can't be dead. Right?
Maybe the universe
how do you quantify the universe being alive?
Maybe we're just remembering the universe. There you go.
Yeah, but we're inside it. No, we exist within the universe.
But
how can we remember something that we exist within?
What if the universe isn't real?
Okay, now you're messing with my head. Let's watch the video.
It's floating through the galaxy, to theories suggesting humanity could disappear instantly. These are the space theories that genuinely scare scientists.
So unfortunate.
10 space theories that terrify scientists.
10?
1. The Great Filter. The Great Filter theory asks one
Fermi
horrifying
paradox.
question. If intelligent life should exist everywhere, then where is everyone? Scientists think advanced civilizations may always destroy themselves before becoming spacefaring species. Nuclear war, AI, climate collapse, biological disasters. And the terrifying part? Humanity might be approaching that filter right now. What if every civilization destroys itself?
It's my favourite theory, this one.
That's your favorite theory?
Yeah, the Fermi paradox. It's like, why aren't there aliens? Are we the only ones? Do we never make it between star systems? Who knows?
Do you think like we're one of like what 1 billion simulations?
Maybe we're in a wildlife park. Maybe everyone's just watching us. Maybe they're waiting for us to reach a certain point and then they say, all right, we're going to get rid of them now.
All right, restart the game.
Reset
lobby.
That simulation. Reset lobby. Prestige. Can I prestige?
The false vacuum theory. This theory is so terrifying that physicists openly admit they hate thinking about it. The false vacuum theory suggests the universe may not be stable. At any random moment, reality itself could collapse. A tiny bubble traveling at the speed of light could erase physics, atoms, stars, planets, everything, and we would never see it coming because the bubble moves faster than the human brain can react. Reality could end instantly.
Who's hypothesizing that shit? Imagine there's a tiny bubble moving at the speed of light that could all of a sudden make us cease to exist within an instant.
They just
Who's
be thinking things
hypothesizing
for
that?
the sake of thinking things.
Honestly, guys are just bored at this point.
3. The Fermi paradox.
This is the Fermi paradox.
I mean, the Great Filter is part of the Fermi paradox.
The universe contains billions of planets, so statistically, alien life should be everywhere. But space is completely silent.
I guess they're similar.
Yeah.
No signals, no visitors, no evidence.
No chirps.
Some scientists believe that silence itself is the warning. Maybe civilizations disappear before they ever get the chance to communicate.
It's the same thing.
Why is the universe silent? 4. Rogue black holes. Most black holes stay near galaxies, but rogue black holes wander through space completely undetected. One could theoretically enter our solar system without warning. Its gravity could throw planets out of orbit, or slowly pull Earth toward destruction. And because black holes emit no light, we may never see one approaching.
I didn't need to see that visual. I don't need to have that in my mind.
It's kind of rubbish, really, because just because they don't emit light doesn't mean you don't see them. You see the effect around it. You see the event horizon and stuff. So I don't know. I'm questioning this video as a guy who knows a little bit about physics. Don't know about that one, Chief.
I don't know anything about physics. I'm here for vibes. Can't lie.
The dark forest theory.
Ooh. Dark forest ghetto.
This theory explains why aliens might stay silent. Imagine the universe as a dark forest. Every civilization is a hunter hiding in the darkness. The moment someone makes noise, they get eliminated. According to this theory, broadcasting Earth's location into space could be incredibly dangerous.
Already done it.
We've done it multiple times.
Maybe intelligent life stays quiet because survival depends on it.
Stop using the same visuals. It's a 5-minute video, bro. Switch it up.
Pissing me off. What in the AI?
Who's done this
video? What is this?
My God.
6. Heat death of the universe.
Heat death? I'm intrigued.
Scientists believe the universe is slowly running out of usable energy. Trillions of years from now, every star will burn out. No light, no heat, no movement.
Why is that scary though? Who gives a fuck? We're gonna be dead billions of years before this happens. I ain't care.
That's what. Yeah, I hear that one.
This is not a useful problem to have.
Just infinite darkness. The universe won't explode. It will simply freeze to death forever. The universe dies cold and silent.
Unlucky.
7. Simulation theory. What if reality isn't real?
Yeah, that would be annoying.
Some scientists and philosophers believe our universe could actually be an advanced simulation.
Just a game of SimCity, bro.
Everything you know, every memory, every person could just be code.
Matrix.
Okay,
Even more disturbing, if simulations become possible in the future, statistically, we're more likely to be inside one than in base reality.
What? What's the stats on that? How much more likely are we to be in a simulation than reality?
It depends how good the simulations can get. Because if we can get simulations that are as good as our world, you know, then at that point, we're probably in a simulation too. Simulationception. But then would that break everything? It'd be like one of those Rick and Morty episodes where they're inside the dream, inside the dream, inside the dream.
Yeah, shout out Rick and Morty.
Gamma ray bursts.
This is rough. You know about this one?
Nope.
Gamma ray bursts are the most powerful explosions ever discovered. If one happened close enough to Earth,
Just instant cook.
it could destroy our atmosphere within seconds.
Okay, so where have we discovered this, please? And how? A gamma ray burst.
They see the gamma ray burst go flying out of the supernova or whatever, or the black hole collapsing, and just beam shit. It'd be beaming.
How do you see that, bro?
Yeah, I think that you see the effects. I don't know. Again, I'm probably chatting nonsense.
Are these not just assumptions?
I think they've observed.
My thing is, yeah.
I mean, you know what? Let's do some learning while we're here. Let's learn on top of the learning. How do we know gamma rays?
I feel like things are deemed factual until someone disproves it.
Here we go. Okay, yeah, we detect them directly, even though our eyes can't see them. Okay, so they already hit Earth, but wait, sorry. How do we know gamma ray burst? How do we know they exist? Here we go.
Yeah, explain to me, please.
Okay, we've observed gamma ray bursts directly, measured how much energy they released, and calculated what the energy would do to a nearby planet. So, since the late 1960s, satellites have recorded a lot of these bursts, and some of them emit in just a few seconds as much energy as the sun will produce over its entire lifetime of about 10 billion years. Much of that energy is concentrated into narrow jets. So, yeah, they seen it happen.
How do we measure this stuff? This is insane to me.
Big telescopy things,
It's
I guess.
insane that we witness things like across the other side of the galaxy or universe or whatever.
Yeah, and they're things that have happened like thousands, millions of years in the past.
Right? And then at the same time, the
the
CCTV footage is always blurry.
Get to the bottom
Explain
of that
that to
one.
me, bro. NASA need to do all the cameras in the world.
No warning, no defense. Just a beam of energy capable of wiping out life across the planet.
That's quite scary.
The deadliest explosion in the universe. 9. Boltzmann brains.
What
This
the
theory
hell?
sounds fake, but real physicists debate it. In an infinite universe, random particles could eventually form a fully conscious brain. A brain with fake memories, fake experiences, fake reality. Meaning, you might not be a real human at all. You could simply be a random consciousness that appeared for a moment in space. What if your memories are fake?
Okay, again, who's theorized this, bro? Like, I could just theorize, like, one day the sun could turn blue. Like, what?
Yeah, good point. Yeah, they ain't know enough about this. They're waffling. At this point, they're just waffling.
Do people just go, what if? And everyone goes, oh, right, like, yeah, and then just run with it.
That's proper deep, man. I
Yeah,
never
right,
thought
hey,
of
write
that.
that down, write that down.
3 a.m. at afters in Shoreditch. Oh, man, that's so deep, that. Because if you actually deep that, it's kind of crazy that could actually, I might not be real.
Honestly.
10. The Big Rip.
Big rip.
Like,
The universe is
Beyblade, right?
expanding.
Let them rip.
Let it rip.
But some scientists think that expansion could eventually accelerate so much that it tears everything apart. Galaxies, stars, planets.
Why? Why? Why?
Space itself could rip apart reality. meaning the universe doesn't end with fire or ice. It ends by literally tearing itself to pieces.
Oh, man.
Space is beautiful, but the more scientists discover, the more terrifying it becomes. And maybe the scariest part is this. Humanity has barely explored anything. Everything you've seen in this video comes from less than 5% of the observable universe, which means the real horrors of space may still be waiting.
What they doing out there?
I feel like maybe some of our comments could have been ignorant there, because obviously the way they're explaining it to us in this video is like layman's terms, more or less. So because it's simplified, it's like, what? Yeah, they're dumbing it down for us. So I'm like, why does that make sense? But yeah, there's probably actually a lot more to these theories than we think.
No, but also a lot of it is unproven. I think a lot of it is, you know,
yeah,
it's just an idea.
Yeah, I mean, well, if you have any cool space theories, let us know down in the comment section, and we'll check those out.
And things do matter. Don't worry, you're not going to despawn, hopefully.
You might.
Goodbye, guys.
Bye.